Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make a perfect circle in crochet. First, let us make a magic ring like this. See, I have made a magic ring, and now you put 3 chains in this loop. 1, 2 and 3. This will be our first double crochet, and then you make 11 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Count once again. There will be 11 chains, and the beginning 3 chains as the first double crochet. So totally 12 double crochets in the first round. Finish it with a slip stitch like this and go to the second round. In the beginning make 3 chains, and then in each chain we make 2 double crochets. In the first one make 1, and in the next one you make 2 double crochets like this. So in the second round totally there will be 24 double crochet stitches. In each stitch we put 2 double crochet stitches to increase the round. I'll repeat again. In the first round, that is in the magic circle, we put 12 double crochet, and in the second round we put 24 double crochet, 2 in each chain. Now I have finished the second round with 24 double crochet stitches. Count once again and join with the slip stitch, and coming to the third round make 3 chains, and in the third round we need 36 double crochets. So you increase the alternate chains, that is 1 double crochet in the first chain, 2 double crochet in the next chain, again 1 double crochet, and in the next chain we make 2 double crochets, so that 12 double crochets will be increased in this third round, and so totally we will get 36 double crochets. In the same method we should increase the circle. You can also go to the links in the description for double crochet, single crochet, triple crochet, half double crochet. See, finally we can finish it with the slip stitch. Join the circle like this, and we have got a perfect circle. See, first round 12 stitches in the magic circle, and we had an increase of 12 double crochet stitches in the second round, so 24 stitches in the second round, and in the third round we have increased 12 more stitches, and so 36 double crochet in the third round. If we need a bigger circle, we can increase every round by 12 double crochet stitches. See, I have used this circle to fix this doll. I have stuffed this doll with toy stuffing and fixed the circle at the bottom. If you like this video, click the like button. Also share this with your friends and subscribe for my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.